Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to start a Facebook group. Here are the steps to start a Facebook group on your mobile phone. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and tap Groups, tap the plus button, then choose Create Group option. In the group name field, type a name for your group, choose the privacy setting, either public, anyone can see posts, or private, only members can see posts. If you choose private, you'll also see an option to make them group visible or hidden, so choose the public option. Tap Create Group when you're done setting up. Choose one or more friends from your friend list. Tap Add to, choose friends you want to invite to the group. Tap Next. Here, you can add cover photo. Hit Next again. Here, provide details of your group and tap Next. And then tap Done. Your group will now be created. Facebook may show a welcome screen or group setup tips. You can manage group settings anytime by going to the group, tapping the three dots, and selecting Group Settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.